Hey, this is Mike from WindowHardwareDirect.com. Today, we're going to talk about some sweep locks. Here I got a simple window from Home Depot. It's got block and tackle balances in it and 2 sweep locks. Typically these things don't break that much, but they can, and you're going to want to know how to replace them and what to look for. So the main ideas of these is you're going to need to figure out the hole-to-hole dimension on this, and it should be able to fit right into the same slot. The other dimension you're going to need to see is, they call it the throw, how much this sweep throws out to be able to catch the keeper. And this is the keeper, it's on the other side, and that keeps the window secure and locked. Some common things that can happen is you can miss the keeper when you're sweeping it, like this, and then you end up hitting the top of the sweep. And you end up breaking that off, and then you're gonna have to get a new sweep lock. But these items can be found at WindowHardwareDirect.com, and we're ready to help answer any questions with our customer service.